So hi guys, I'm Koimishek, and in this video we will going to see about ADRCI. So ADRCI is a utility inside Oracle database. Uh, it was provided by Oracle for only the means of uh, viewing and finding the logs about the recording data of the database while performing any activities like startups, doing patching, uh, uh, doing backups, doing recoveries, etc. Like listener entries, that whatever happens with listeners, TNS, that's all recorded inside ADRCI homes. Like we have log files, redo files, dumps files, core dump files. So these are all we can search using ADRCI diagnostic utility. So the full form of ADRCI is automatic diagnostic uh, repository client command line interface. Okay, so it is basically a repository. In that repository, we have many folders for uh, for getting the info about the operation happened in the previous history. Like if suppose listener got stopped 2 hours back, so that entry also could be found in the ADRCI by giving a command like show alert tail and that file name. Okay, so in this way we can search about log histories like alert logs, etc. What are their locations and what are their bases? So these all things can be found using ADRCI. So for this we need to ensure that our Oracle is running in background. So here we can see that our Oracle database is running in the background. So also check for listener if that is on. So currently I don't have connected to internet, so I don't need anything like listener to should be up or not. So in this way, now the first thing that before doing ADRCI, you need to ensure that you have set here Oracle system environments. Okay, environment variable in general. So for that I will see that do have set up the Oracle environments. Okay, so here you can see that I have set up already. So whatever I am doing here, Oracle SIDs. So I already have set up all these things in the dot bash src cat bash profile. So yeah, you can see that I already set up all these environment variables inside my bash profile. So because of these environment variable that I already had set up, so due to this we can easily do all the utilities, easily start all the utilities like listener. For listener we can have lsnrctl. Okay, like SQL plus. So these all utilities are only depends upon the Oracle environment variables. So if you haven't set up the Oracle environments, so you need to set them first. So now we will go towards our ADRCI. Okay. So you can go inside ADRCI utility by only giving ADRCI on the command interface. So here we are uh, inside our Oracle data ADRCI utility. Okay, so here we can view our home. Okay, so whatever our homes. Okay, so we have three homes. Like the first one is for mainly the SID Chennai. Okay, this is for RDMS. Okay, the next one is for client Okay, then the last one will be for listener. Okay, TNS listener. So here we can see that all these related directories are uh, uh, present inside a diagnostic repository directory. Okay, so here in this way you can see, if you want to see the show alert. Okay, so you can see that show alert. So I want to see the alert inside rdvms folder. Okay, so here we can see, so here in this way we can see that we can view our alert logs and whatever happens in that. So here you can see that I'm switching line by line, and there you can see that whatever changes happened in the previous time are recorded, all are recorded inside this alert log file, and this alert log file we are viewing using ADRC directory. Okay, ADRC utility. So in this way it can be useful. Okay, ADRCI. Okay, so if any case you are unable to find your diagnostic test location. Okay, so in this way you can find it using your ADRCI. Now let's see how we can view the diagnostic repository using SQL plus command. Okay, okay. So here you can see that I am having my diagnostic test inside our Oracle base. Okay, so this is where we can see it. So now